everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today the wind is insane. So if you hear crazy sounds, the wind is like, I haven't seen it this bad in a very long time, and we get a lot of high winds here, so bear with the crazy whoosh sound outside. Today's video is a little bit different. I have done this in the past, but it has been a little bit since I have done anything like this. I have been in that like that spring cleaning, purging kind of mood lately. So I approached my girl Paula and I said, hey, you want to do a MinsGame with me? Because we have done this in the past, and she has agreed to do this with me, and I'm very excited because even though when I asked her, I was already starting to declutter some things from my home, not my makeup and beauty collection, but from my home, and I want to keep it going. And if you guys are familiar with MinsGame or the Minimalist game, you already know what this is about. If you are not familiar with it, you pick a month, any month out of the year, and on the first of that month, you declutter one item. On the second of the month, you declutter 2 items. On the third of the month, you declutter 3 items, so on and so forth. And we have picked a month that has 31 days. So by the end of it, we should have 496 items out of our home, which is awesome. I mean, like just shy of 500 items decluttered from your home. Sign me up. I am so ready for it. I'm like excited. It was hard to try to find just one item for today because there are like, I'm looking at different things. I'm like, oh, that could go and that could go. So yeah, it was difficult. I had to like curb my enthusiasm because, you know, one day at a time. So I don't want to burn myself out, but I'm excited. Can you tell I'm excited about this? I am going to have Paula link down below because she's my girl. She understands. She understands the need to get rid of stuff. We both have had some hoarder-like tendencies in our past. I don't know. I've never been in Paula's house, so I don't know to what extent she has collected things over the years, but I know how I have been, and I think maybe it's a generational thing. I don't know if it is or not, but Paul and I are in the same generation, so maybe it could be. And the older I get, the more I realize I just don't need stuff. I don't need so much stuff in my life. Some of it needs to go. I love and appreciate some of the things that I own, but I don't love and appreciate other things that I own, and I don't know why I'm keeping it. I have things in my house that I haven't used for a very long time. Nobody else in my family has used for a very long time, and it's just kind of hanging around, and it's not serving me any purpose. And some of it is actually still decent to where I could donate it to someone else that can actually use it and appreciate it and love it. And it doesn't make any sense to just sit and collect dust in my home when someone else can love it. So this month, hopefully, if I do this properly, I will, like I said, have just shy of 500 things out of my life, which is a good thing. So the way we're doing it, today we are doing our intro. Normally you would see my Pan That palette, but yeah, it's going to be in a few days. It is coming up, but I felt the need to really get this started. And when Paula said, hey, let's do this on the 1st, and then let's do weekly updates, I'm like, give me a second to think about it, because, you know, you guys know I do my videos daily, so I had to do some finagling, and I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, but we're going to do it. And so today as our intro, I'm going to show you the first thing that I am decluttering, but I also want to let you know that we are going to be doing our weekly updates, and we will show you what we have decluttered in that week, and, you know, just keep going, and then we'll have like a whole montage or something like that at the very end. I also would like to say, if there's anyone out there that would like to join us in this, we would love to have you on the journey. Let us know if you're going to join in, if you're going to post on Instagram, if you want to post it on YouTube, or if you just want to follow along at home and do your own thing, just let us know. If you want us to give you a shout out, put it down in the comments, and I will put you in my description box so other people can come check you out. I like this whole togetherness thing, so, you know, that's just how I roll. So, whew. Without further ado, I'm going to show you the one item that has been hanging out. I had used it periodically, but its usefulness has passed. It's got to go. I mean, it's still in good shape, but it's a little hair cutting cape. I cut my kids' hair because they flip out, And Mama used to be embarrassed to try to take them anywhere to get their hair cut, so I just did it myself. And yeah, this little cape came with some like baby-sized clippers, and it is way too small. It is way too small. If you're a mom out there, you know just how tiny this is. My big guy just turned 9 years old, and he wears a size 14-16 shirt. If you're a mom, you know that's big for a 9-year-old. This doesn't cut it. It like barely covers his shoulders. There's no point in it. I have since purchased a new adult sized because my son is practically an adult at 9 years old. Yeah, there's no point in this. I'm going to donate this, and someone that has a very young child that wants to cut their hair, have at it, because this mama, she doesn't need it anymore. I do have some ideas of what I'm going to have for day 2, but I'm not 100% on that yet, but it is coming up. Again, check out Paula. She will be down below. She's going to get rid of some of her stuff. I'm kind of curious to see what she's going to get rid of. Face it, you guys watch this because you're a little bit curious what we all have in our house. If you're like me, we're all a little bit nosy. Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way, but we're curious. There's a much better word. We're curious, these strange things that people have in their homes that they're willing to part with. And yeah, this is my first one. I'm happy that I'm going to be getting rid of it. I'm going to have like a box or a bag or something of things that are donatable, and that is definitely something that is still in good repair and it can be donated. And yeah, I usually go on like AmVets or Purple Heart or something like that. I can do it online. I can schedule a pickup. They come to my front door and they just take the stuff off of my, front porch, and I don't have to worry about it. It makes my life really, really easy. So hopefully they'll visit me a few times this month because I would like to get rid of some stuff. All right, I am going to wrap this up because I still have to edit it and get it up because Paula kind of sprung this whole video thing on me today while I'm filming it. It is the last day of April and my videos go up at midnight, so I got to get a move on it because it is 9:30 at night. So your girl, she got to get to getting. So if you want to join in, we would love to have you on this journey to a little bit less, because less is more. I do have like decluttering on my secondary Instagram, which I will put it on the screen or down in the description box probably, because I don't do a whole lot of editing. If you want to follow along on there, it's not as used as my other Instagram, but what are you going to do? All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.